Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. I'm standing in a very popular floor plan of ours, the front living floor plan, and I wanted to talk to you about our insulation. Insulation is very important to us. It has a number of different qualities that help in the heating and cooling of your unit. One is that it keeps the sound from entering into the interior. Now, it doesn't keep all the sound out, but it definitely helps deaden that sound and makes it very comfortable and easy to hear each other, and also provide you with a good night's sleep. So I got this cutaway here. I wanted to show you kind of a snapshot of what we have. I'm not going to go into great detail. That's something you can give us a call and get more detail. Our factory reps are very knowledgeable and can help you with that. So just to show you what we've got here, this is a representation of our floor, our walls, side walls, and our roof. So with the floor, you've got a waterproof barrier at the bottom here. It's called Darco. It is very durable piece of material. This next layer is a radiant barrier that keeps heat, bounces heat away from the interior of the floor and provides a radiant barrier from heat trying to penetrate in. Then we have two layers of batting insulation. Then we've got the 5/8 marine grade tongue and groove plywood, and on top of that is your floor material. Now we go over here to the walls. Of course, you've heard a lot about our graphite infused closed cell. This is the fiberglass exterior that adheres to a product called Asdel. It is a non-wood, which is non-wicking, that will not mildew or wick moisture. Of course, your graphite infused closed cell insulation, the graphite acts as another radiant barrier that keeps that exterior heat from penetrating to the inside. The closed cell actually is a non-wicking quality to it that will not wick moisture into that insulation, which could cause mildew. So that keeps that mildew away from it and keeps that moisture from wicking into the cells. So you go up to the roof, we've got these welded trusses. These are a bowed truss. We're also stuffing that with a batting insulation and another radiant barrier. So that's kind of a snapshot of how well we insulate our luxury fifth wheels. So that's going to translate into being able to more efficiently heat and cool this interior, which means money savings for you. You don't have to buy as much propane or spend as much on those campgrounds that don't supply free electricity. So if you want to know more, we've got a lot of knowledge here at the RV factory about our luxury fifth wheels. Many years of thought and knowledge has gone into these units, from our owners to our VP of operations, our service people, the workers here that have worked in the industry for many years. So hey, give us a call at 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com and ask us about our insulation.